Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with LEXIS and Company. So today we're going to discuss MP High Court's view on that the no law prevents wife getting maintenance under one provision of law to seek maintenance under another provision. In this matter, the Madhya Pradesh High Court recently observed that there is no law which suggests that wife getting maintenance under one provision of law cannot seek maintenance under another. The bench, comprising Justice G.S. Ahluwalia, made the said observation while upholding the ownership of property by a woman in lieu of maintenance pursuant to Section 14(1) of the Hindu Succession Act. Facts of the case were that the appellant or defendant and the respondent were married to each other. After some years of their marriage, appellant husband turned the respondent wife and their daughter out of his house and started living with another woman. Later, a social meeting was convened wherein it was decided that the appellant would give the respondent the possession of the suit property in lieu of maintenance. The document executed between the parties also mentioned that after the death of the respondent, the property would be inherited by her successor. Therefore, the trial court dismissed the suit by holding that the agreement between parties was not registered. It also observed that the possession of the suit property was not handed over to the respondent, that the suit was barred by time. The wife preferred an appeal before the lower appellate court against the dismissal of her suit, and the same was allowed. Aggrieved by the reversal of decision of the trial court, the appellant preferred an appeal against the same before the High Court. Examining the submission of the parties, the document on records, the court did not concur with the arguments put forth by the appellant. It noted that it was not disputed that the agreement was indeed executed between the appellant and respondent regarding the suit property. The court observed that a bare perusal of the said agreement implies that the possession of the suit property was also given by the appellant to the respondent. Thus, it held that pursuant to the provision under Section 14(1) of the Hindu Succession Act, the respondent was the rightful owner of the property. Thank you.